Always in my sister's forehead, there must be kumkum.
Brother.
Oh, sister. Kasturi. I have decided already that you are my wife. You and your mother trying to escape from this, I will kill you both. Don't forget this.
The kumkum on my forehead, the tali in my neck, the ring on my toe. All of this should be what you make me wear. Whatever my uncle does should be successful. He should live a happy, long life.
My dear goddess, you have made me prosperous and I am flourishing now. All the people around me should always be happy and prosperous. AKD Kalaikumar will come. Give this to him.
Okay, sir.
You see, I have some important work. I am going now. Take care of the shop.
Okay.
Sister, every month once our owner is going out. Actually, where he is going?
Let him go anywhere. Focus on your work.
Why I should ask you?
Oh my God.
Hey, always you are coming late, man. Why are you doing like this?
You bloody nonsense. Don't you know about my wife? I have to escape from her. Come, let's start.
See this face.
Come on, everybody.
Hey, if I cannot do, nobody can do. If nobody can do, I can do it. Hey, where is that fool gone? Build up.
Hey Pandey, come on, open the shop. He is not going to open the shop.
There's nobody in the shop. There's so much work to do at home. No idea where this fellow has gone. Let him come home today. Let's ask him. Hey, Madasami, come here. Did you see that
Who,
fellow?
sister?
Hey, whom will I ask about? Your village president.
What are you saying, sister? He must have gone to solve some problem.
Yo, this fellow is an idiot. Don't I know what that fellow spoke in the panchayat meeting?
What?
Okay, get lost.
Okay, sister.
Let's find out where he has gone today. I am not going to leave him today. Hey, Kasturi. Hey, Kasturi.
What,
Did you
Aunt?
see your uncle?
I have my uncle rolled up in my sleeve.
You think you're very smart, huh?
Then what? You must have tortured him so much. So he ran away.
Hey, let me first find out where he is. Then I will take care of you. One idiot supporting
go.
another.
I should save uncle from auntie somehow.
Nobody can do.
I want to understand if anybody dare give me
You see, I am.
Uncle? 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 Wake up, uncle.
You came to see me with love.
Hey, don't come near me. I'll scold you. Get away.
I love
Cheh.
you, darling.
Oh, my dear niece.
Hey, uncle,
why
first
did
wear your
you
dhoti
come
properly.
here? Tell me, huh?
What are you saying?
Why did you come here?
What, uncle? The whole village respects you. Why are you behaving this way?
What respect? Daily meeting, greeting. Only one day I'm spending with my friends. It is wrong?
Yes, it is wrong. Auntie has been searching for you since morning. Think about her for just 1 minute.
Your auntie?
Hey, if you come home drunk again, I'll cut your neck and make a soup
I
out
won't
of it.
drink. I won't drink.
you drink
I won't
again?
drink. I
Will you
won't
drink?
drink. I won't.
Hey, what's happening? Mardu bro.
Hey Muttu,
Huh?
I'm standing in front of you. Why are you calling Mardu?
I can't say everything to you. Please call him.
I don't know where he went.
I'll give back the money, brother.
While asking the money, you came to my home door, right? While giving back the money also, you should come there, right?
No, brother, please.
You're playing hide and seek to me itself. I'm gonna kill you for sure.
No, no. No, brother, leave me, brother. No, brother, leave me. I'll give you the money,
I'm asking my money. You're running from me.
No, brother. No.
I'm gonna kill you. Where are you gonna escape? You're playing to me itself, huh? Whatever the money you're gonna give back to me is nothing for me, okay? But the given word is very important. You got it? Huh?
Brother, you are Kasturi's uncle, right? I'm friend of Kasturi. Have you ever seen me? I came to Kasturi house many times. Brother, he is my uncle. Definitely I will give back your money soon. Please leave him, brother. Listen to me, uncle. Because of Kasturi only, he excused you. Please understand. Give back his money soon.
get up. Get up. Haven't you come here to study? You're still very young. Making fun of the teacher itself, which means you will look at all the ladies in your family also this way, is it? So mean at such a young age. Get out. Out. All of you sit and write quietly.
Hey Kadir, if you behave like this, what others will think about you?
If you think about others, we can't live by our own wish. Shall I tell one thing? Everybody will think 1 out of 10 dreams should be happen. But for me, all the 10 dreams should become true. That is me.
Kasturi. Hey Kasturi.
What,
Get
Mom?
up early, have a bath and go to the temple.
I've just started, Mom. Uncle,
Where are you going, Kasturi?
I'm going to the temple, Uncle.
Okay, come. I'll drop you, okay? You go, I'll come, okay?
Mardu. Hey, Mardu, wait. Greetings,
Hi.
brother.
Come on, tell me, what's up, brother?
Nothing serious. I wanted to meet you, so I came home. So they said you come to the temple.
It's about your son's college trip, right?
Will he get it, brother?
Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
My son is very tensed about it.
Oh, please don't worry about anything. I will take care of the rest of the stuff.
Thank you, brother.
Okay,
Thank you very
take it.
much.
Bye.
I'll take leave.
What, Uncle? You said you'll come inside, but you never came.
No, not like that. Actually, I was talking to Muthu brother about his son's college seat. Actually, I forgot to come inside.
Okay. You're always after this villager's work only.
What to do, Kasturi? He was asking for a help. I have to do it, right?
Okay. Just like today, my uncle should always be happy. Whatever he does should be successful.
What happened, Muthu? Told that your son is not well, went to the doctor.
You think there is a hospital very close by from our town? We have to go 10 kilometers away for a hospital. I don't know when a village will get a hospital. I don't know when all this is going to get
Bro,
better.
Yeah.
give me 10 rupees washing soap.
What happened, Selva?
Yeah, tell me, uncle.
Don't you want to
There is no
get your
balance.
sister married in this lifetime at all? Huh?
Want to do it.
What are you planning to do? Are you planning to go to every village and search for a guy for her? You already had planned to get Kasturi married to Marudu, right?
Yes, I agree, uncle. Though he is a relative, she is going to live in another home. We cannot send her without jewels. For that reason only, I also want to contribute something.
What you're saying is also right. Look for a nice day and plan everything and get it done.
Okay,
I'm
uncle.
leaving. I'm leaving,
Yeah,
Pali.
bye. Fish, 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 fish. Hey, buddy, don't forget to give the cash for yesterday's game.
Where am I going to take your money and run away? Huh? I'm going to be
see.
here only. No, let's see what
let's
happens
see.
today.
Dice one.
One dice.
Hey, Kadir, why didn't you go to college?
What? Why should I answer a stupid question?
Hey, just play the game, man. Why are you simply talking to him? Hey, Kadir, you leave, man. He has to study. Go.
Oh, this guy. He is doing lot of things in this village. He is trying to correct every girls in the college, including lecturers.
Is it? Did you see it?
Yes, bro. All of his friends are saying like that only. Marudu bro joined him in Polytechnic, but he is not worth for it. He is wasting his money. Leave it, bro.
Auntie? Aunt? Kasturi?
Come here, my little uncle. Are you bunking college and roaming around?
Nothing like that. Today is holiday. What are you doing here?
Can't you see? I agree you're 5 years younger than me by age. But By height, you're taller than me, right? Climb up and take that pot.
Okay, get down. I'll take it.
Take that, I say. What happened?
This won't work, it seems. I'll lift you. You'll take it.
Okay. To take this only so much struggle. Come, let's go.
Oh my god, something has happened to my son. Anyone is there? Please help my son. I don't know what to.
What happened?
Please help me.
What happened? What happened? Tell me what happened.
Brother,
Don't worry,
please.
don't worry. We'll take care of it. Hey,
See him, no.
stop the vehicle. Come on, go ahead.
I don't know what happened to
I'll
him.
take him to the hospital, okay? You don't worry, okay? I'll take care of it.
Somehow help him.
Hey, come on, move. Don't worry, sister. I'll take care of it, okay?
Don't worry, everything will be all right.
Stop the bike.
Why
Stop
I
it.
have to stop? What happened? What happened, sister?
Oh my god, he left.
Why are you crying?
I don't know what to do.
If everybody sitting here is going to be silent, what is going to happen? Leader sir, please say something.
What else there is to talk? This year Perumal's son, Pandi's son, now Rasati's son. We are losing our children one by one. We have to stop it somehow. That is why we are here.
What is going to happen by talking? We can die instead of living in this village.
Hey Pandi, what are you talking, man? Shut
Come
up.
on, brother.
Why you are not allowing him to talk? His words are true only.
Shanti, listen. No lady should speak in Panchayat.
Anybody you can talk in the panchayat.
Don't keep talking rubbish here. Talk only points. We have come only for that.
When 2 children are born in this village, 4 children are dying in this village also.
Yes sir. In one house if they're tying a cradle, the other house they're making a coffin.
Hospital is 10 miles away from our village. Every day we are suffering a lot.
Whatever you're speaking is correct. After the snake bite, people are living. After the dog bite, many are walking. All are fate,
It's
sister.
our fate. What can we do for that, huh?
What is this fate? Even for a small headache, we have to travel 10 kilometers from here.
right.
If in the same case, if we have a hospital and a doctor, will you say it is a fate?
I don't understand, Marudu. How many times can I go to collector's office and tell them? But they are not doing anything for us. They are not taking any steps.
Doctors are coming into the village or not, but timely quarter is coming.
Hey, shut your mouth.
What I can do, nobody can do. But if no one can do, I can do it.
He is cheating the village by saying these words.
Hey, silence.
Hey, what are you blabbering?
Leader sir, he is not saying anything new. He is trying to find out your fault only.
No more rubbish talk. We ourselves will arrange for a doctor.
What personal doctor for our village? Which doctor doing it as service? Everyone is money minded.
Not like that, brother. In some places, this doctor's job is getting treated like business. I accept it. But still, there are a lot of doctors who wants to serve, right? It's my duty to bring such a doctor to our
Shut
place.
your mouth. It's only not your duty. We can also bring
Hey,
doctor here.
right,
would you be
brother.
silent now?
Hey,
Leave
it
it.
is not a...
Hey,
Why
Pandi,
I won't leave you.
Fight,
I'm gonna kill you.
Don't fight.
Why are these two guys fighting?
Your doctor brings every aspect. See, I'm gonna kill you now.
Hey, stop. Don't fight.
Sit down.
Down.
Everything.
Cool. Be
I
cool.
know.
Sit down.
Right.
Telling you sit down.
Please be
Don't
calm.
shout now. What shall we do? Tell me. Why are everyone fighting for this? You tell Mardu, what shall we do?
Okay, listen carefully. Once again, get a petition signed from all the people and give it to me back. I'll go and see the concerned person and I'll bring a doctor for sure to our place.
Okay, let Mardu bring a doctor and I will take care of all the expenses of the doctor. Is it okay with you all? All of you
Okay,
agree,
okay,
no?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
yes.
Hey,
We are okay with this.
Just come with me.
Okay.
These people have no common sense. They will look after them
You have to give
afterwards.
nicely for him, brother.
That's fine. It's perfectly all right.
Okay.
Hey, Pandi,
What?
I went to your shop this morning to buy meat, but it was closed.
Auntie, I went to our friend's marriage in Venkateswara Kalyana Mandapam.
Don't ever
Okay, I'll come later.
Where she is
Okay,
going?
I told you,
I will
right?
look after
Don't
her.
say anything.
Coming.
Don't pay
Kasturi?
any attention.
He's calling you.
Hey, I'm calling you.
Keep walking.
Stop that.
Already both our families have a feud. Don't make any fuss. Get lost.
Why? What is the mistake in talking with my uncle's daughter? The problem is only with my father. What can I do for that? I know what are you thinking in your mind. You can't escape. I will marry you. And this is my promise. Nobody can stop. I am not like Marudu. I'm not giving interest
Why
for
are you
money.
pulling Marudu uncle into this?
Why are you getting angry when I talk about him?
Don't.
Look here. I won't be same at all the time. You know very well about my character. I have decided already that you are my wife. You and your mother try to escape from this. I will kill you both. Don't forget this.
Hey, get lost. You come.
Now I leave you, but I won't leave always.
Kasturi, take this water. Hey, you're saying he spoke so much but you didn't talk him back, is it?
What shall I do? He is a stupid, useless fellow.
Better to inform Marudu uncle about him so that he will take care of him.
Hey, Ten, no need for that. Already uncle has a bad temper. If he comes to know, then unnecessary problems will come.
You're saying like this, but see who's coming? Marudu uncle is coming here. Come, uncle. Please sit down. I'll make some tea for you.
No, I don't want anything. What, Kasturi? That Pandey was disturbing you on the roadside, it seems. What he is thinking, huh?
No such problems, uncle. I myself gave it right back to him. What else should I do? Both of you are my relatives. What else shall I do? Now look at him. He's also my cousin.
What are you doing here?
Went to home. She was not there, so I came here to see her.
Nothing else, uncle. As usual, he has come for the tuition. Isn't that right?
Okay, study well. Listen, Kasturi. If he is going to trouble you again, I'm gonna kill him for sure.
Nothing of that sort will happen. You please go.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Selvi, shall I make a move? Then, bye. What now, uncle? Are you studying properly these days?
Studying well.
Okay then.
Auntie is coming, so I want to talk about our marriage. Auntie, stop, auntie, auntie. Take this meat.
You have misbehaved with Kasturi on that day. Today you're doing it with me. Behave properly and allow me to
You
move.
can say like that, but this village knows no, she is my cousin daughter.
Chick, get lost. Anyway, we don't have anything to talk about. Why are you coming again?
Auntie, you can say anything, but I have decided that Kasturi is my wife.
Somebody to the river.
Anyone is there? Please help him.
Fellow has drowned. Please come.
Anyone is there?
Please come and help us.
Please help.
Anybody?
Please help him.
Fast.
Anyone is there? Please come. Please, someone
Muthu
come.
has fallen into the river. Come.
Please help him.
Anybody?
Help him.
Please
Help
come
him.
and
Help him.
water.
Please come. Someone come.
We are
Help
not able
him.
to see
Anyone
him.
is there?
Please come and take
Please
him
help.
out.
Please help.
Hello, people. Please.
What happened?
Muthu drowned into the river.
Oh my
sister,
God.
Please. Someone is helping him, I think.
Oh my god. Who asked you to dive so deep? Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Are you new to this village?
Yeah, I'm new to this village. I'm looking for Marudu's house.
Marudu? Oh, you came to borrow money for interest, is it?
For interest? Hello, I'm a doctor.
Doctor? Oh, sorry.
That's okay. It's not a problem.
Marudu is my uncle only. Come, I'll take you.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'll ask you something, don't mistake me.
It's okay.
You said you're a doctor, but you don't have a stethoscope, white coat.
What is this? Only those things make a doctor?
Oh my god. Nothing of that sort. Okay, leave it. Come, let's go.
Tell me something.
Huh?
You were talking about Marudu and some interest and all.
Oh,
What is that whole story about?
that is nothing. My uncle lends money for interest. That's why I thought you came to borrow. Please don't mistake me. Come, let's go. This is the house. I'll call uncle.
Okay.
Uncle? Uncle!
Come, my dear Kasturi. Why you are shouting in front of the house? Who is the small guy?
Auntie, don't talk rubbish. He's the new doctor who has come to our village.
Doctor? Okay.
You don't talk anything else. First call uncle.
Marde?
Yeah, I'm coming, mom. Hey, hi, Kasturi. Who is he?
Uncle, he's the doctor who has come to our village. He has come to see you.
Oh, Dr. Arvind. Welcome.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What happened for you? Why are you so looking bad?
That's because...
That is nothing, uncle. He saved a young boy's life when he entered the village. That is why he was drenched. I'll explain later clearly.
It's okay. Please come inside and make this
Okay,
clear.
sir.
Kasturi, you also come inside.
Okay,
Go,
uncle.
go, get
Come
in.
in.
Take him inside. My dear, he looks like a 12th standard, but he is a doctor.
Mom, just shut your mouth. Don't talk like this. Come on, get in.
Selvam dear,
Yeah.
come out.
I'm coming. Mom, tell me the matter.
Vasanti has been coming here for last 4 days. Tell me, what should I tell her?
Mummy, how many times I will tell you?
It's not like that, dear. She's a nice girl. I have seen her many times in temple. She's good looking also. She's also quite wealthy. You just have to say yes.
Mom, first we want to get married Kasturi. All the relations are asking about Kasturi's marriage. I can't answer them all. After the Kasturi's marriage, we will look after this.
Brother? Brother, I've brought lunch. Come.
Yeah, I will come.
Okay, shall we eat?
No, we'll wait for half an hour and then eat.
Okay.
Give it to me.
Heard you didn't eat breakfast today. Mom told me. Why, brother? First, you should get married. I need to see my sister-in-law. I need to eat what she serves. I need to have small squabbles with her. I have so many wishes like this. Please get married to the girl Vasanti suggests. The time she'll enter our house will be even better. Brother, please agree.
We don't have father, so I have to do the father's duty. My talking and my thinking, it's not like a brother as a father. I want to get you married with Marud uncle, and that's my goal.
Doctor brother, do you like this village?
I'm liking it, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
I'm liking it a lot. Even if you ask me to leave, I'm not going to go from here.
Why, doctor? Why should we ask you to go? You can stay here itself.
Hello.
Yeah. Then,
Okay,
shall I ask you one thing?
Yes, please.
Are your parents are living at the native? Then, how many siblings you have?
I don't have anybody like that. I was brought up and I studied in an ashram only, so...
Doctor, hereafter don't tell like that. We village people are your relatives. Do you understand?
I understand, sir.
Hi, Kasturi. Visiting the farmer.
Just now gave lunch to brother uncle.
Doctor, the only educated girl in the villages are Kasturi only. Based on her studies, she want to go for the job. But her would-be mother doesn't like her to go.
Why so, sir?
Because he doesn't like Kasturi to go outside.
Okay, uncle. I'm leaving. See
Okay,
you later.
Kasturi. Come, doctor.
Hey Lakshmi, yesterday you took her to Guruji. Actually, what he said?
Yes, sister. Guruji is saying that she's possessed by ghosts. He said he will give a thread on
Okay,
Friday.
whatever he suggested, just do it because she is going to marry in couple of days.
Even I'm also scared about that. Don't tell anybody, sister.
No, Lakshmi, I won't tell this to anyone. Hey, Ten, come soon.
I'm coming. Hey, tell me, you said you wanted to talk something, but you're not saying anything now?
You're only the problem here.
Who, me? What's the problem?
Your mom said that you've been possessed by an evil spirit. She's been telling that it has to be solved by a priest at the earliest. What is all this?
That too, she informed this matter to that Papama. She spreaded this matter all over the village. Your mother don't have sense.
My mother is quite silly. She doesn't understand me at all.
Actually, what is your problem?
It's the usual 3 days problem that all girls have. I'm not able to control my anger at that time. I behave like a mad person. Without understanding this properly, my mother is saying that I'm possessed by ghosts to everybody, and she's insulting me.
After food, take these medicines 2 times a day. Everything will be all right. Are you taking all the medicines that I've given
Oh,
you?
yes, I am taking. Let me leave.
Okay. I want to talk to you in person.
You please go. I'll come
Okay.
later. What's the matter? Please tell.
You are an educated person. You don't understand what problem your friend has? Take this. This is what your friend needs right now. Even after this, if it doesn't get all right, please come and see me. Okay?
Hey, Shankar, what about Salvi's matter?
What to tell you, brother? I've been going behind her for so many years, but she doesn't seem to like me at all.
Huh? What, Marde?
Brother, did you saw that Muthu? I couldn't see him for last 4 days.
What, Marde? Any important matter?
He borrowed some money from
I
me,
see.
brother. He hasn't given the original and also the interest.
What is this, Marde? Always talking about money and the interest.
Then I have to sit chat like you or what?
Who asked you to be free like us? Take Kasturi to cinema, park, beach and everywhere.
What is wrong, brother? Everybody's doing it. Why don't you do it? I would prefer you
What is
also
it?
to do it.
Nana Marudu, what he means to say is, take Kasturi for a round with you.
Yes, a loving person don't want to think about anything. He want to room with her.
When our
Enjoy the
brother
life.
says it will be right.
First go and pick up Kasturi. Go take her anywhere. We will look after Muthu. You move.
Hey, Kadir.
What, Kasturi?
Are you writing something?
Yeah, writing.
Are you writing something?
Yeah, writing. Kasturi? Kasturi!
Kadir, you are also here?
Yes, brother.
Okay, where is Kasturi?
She's inside.
Okay, tell her to come here.
Kasturi,
What happened?
brother is calling you. Come.
Come inside, uncle.
It's okay, no problem. Come, let's go to the town.
To the town? For what, uncle?
You'll come only if I say the reason?
No, no, uncle. Nothing like that. Mom has gone outside. Wait, I'll lock the house in.
Okay, I'll wait.
Come, let's go.
You guys are leaving me, right?
Where are you coming?
Poor thing, uncle. Let him join.
Okay, come.
You get down.
For what purpose?
You get down first. You sit like brother.
Okay, sit. Kasturi, hold me tightly.
Okay, uncle.
Kasturi, whatever you want, shop from here. You don't worry about money, okay?
Okay, uncle. Uncle, is this nice?
Ah, okay, super.
Is this good?
I don't like it.
Is it not nice? Uncle, is this nice?
It's not that good.
What about you?
Not good.
Don't like? Fine. Both of you don't like whatever I pick. You yourself
Okay,
select.
come sit down.
You sit down.
Sister, get us 10 saris now.
All these colors are looking so bright. Uncle,
This is not good?
not nice.
Okay, leave it. Check out that green. How is it?
I think this will look good on me.
Then take this itself.
Is this nice?
It's good. I like it a lot.
Kadir, do you like it?
Not liking it.
Uncle, I like this very much. Do you like this too?
Yeah, this is awesome.
Kadir, do you like it?
Leave him. You don't worry about it. This is nice. We shall get it. Please pack this sari.
Okay, uncle. Uncle, you have purchased a sari for me. I also have a wish. Shall I buy a shirt for you?
Is that so?
Sister,
Okay, go ahead.
please show us shirts for his size. How is this, uncle?
I don't like it.
I myself will select the shirt. Uncle, this is for you. This is for the doctor. Why are you looking like that, uncle? Who else does the doctor have besides us? We should only help him, right?
Eat this food, dear.
Kadir, Kasturi is asking you to come soon.
What is this, dear? You have not even eaten half and already washed your hands. If we talk about Kasturi, he will forget the world itself.
Why hasn't he come till now? Cha. Hey, come fast.
What? Coming right.
How long should I keep waiting for you?
Why did you ask me to come? Where are we going?
Listen, if you have stomach pain or fever, who would you go to?
Now what? Shall I take you to doctor?
Oh my god, my favorite kiddo. Not just for seeing, we have to give this.
Kasturi. Marudu brother bought you a sari. You bought a shirt for Marudu and doctor. Then where is the shirt for me?
Hold this first. I've kept uncle right over here. And the doctor? No need. You're a little boy. And do you know where I've kept you? Right over here. And now, let us go give this to the doctor. And later you ask me what you want. I'll get you. Ask me.
Will ask. The right time has to come.
Hello.
Hi, Kasturi. Welcome. Sit down.
How are you?
I'm fine. What happened to you?
Kadir is not feeling well.
What are you
I'm
saying?
alright. Only she took me here.
Now I understand. Tell me what happened.
Yesterday I went to the store with Marudu uncle. At that time I bought a shirt for you also. Please
Why
take
did you
it.
have to buy this for me?
Just open it.
Wow, this looks nice.
Do you like it?
I really like it.
I didn't ask about the shirt.
Even I didn't mean the shirt. Just a minute. I've also bought something for you.
What is it?
Come on, just open it and see.
This is so nice.
Did you like it?
I like it very much.
I didn't ask about the earrings.
I also didn't mean the jimmicky.
Kasturi, come, let's go. Kasturi, come, let's go.
Kadir, just get up and get out.
Why?
Just listen to what I'm saying.
Why are you asking him to leave?
I'll tell you.
Kadir, you wait outside for some time, please. Now, why did you ask him to leave?
His behavior is not at all good.
No, he's not that type of a boy. He has been with me since he was a baby. I know very well about him. You please don't talk bad about him. Okay. I'm leaving now.
Here is your interest amount.
Give it.
You see, I wanted to tell you something.
What is the matter? Tell me, come on.
Please do not mistake me, Marudu. Our Kasturi is always visiting at the doctor's place.
Hey, listen! You're talking too much. I know about my Kasturi very well. She is my girl. If someone else spoken about her, I would have killed them.
That's why I'm telling you. She is born for you. She shouldn't become somebody's wife now.
Again, I'm warning you. Just stop this bullshit here itself.
Look here, Marudu. I'm your friend. That is why I'm telling you this. Then you do whatever you want to do. Even now, Kasturi is at doctor's place. Will you believe?
Uncle, this is for you. This is for the doctor.
Even now, Kasturi is at doctor's place. Will you believe?
Huh? Where did he go? Hey, Kadir, you're standing here, is it? Please don't mistake him.
I won't take it wrong. Only the doctor took it wrong.
Okay. This jimmicky, do you like it?
That is not the matter. If you like it, that is fine.
Than me liking it, Arvind likes it very much.
Okay.
Kasturi, bring that vessel, no?
Here, Mom.
Lakshmi,
Please
sit.
come.
I'll come there. Selvam,
Come, auntie.
you're not going for field?
Yeah, I want to go.
Sit down, please. How come so early in the morning?
Just came here. Hey Kasturi, how are you?
Huh, I'm good, Auntie.
Tell me now.
What shall I say? Yesterday suddenly chest pain came. I feel like something will be happened to me. Thank God, nothing has happened to me.
What happened, auntie? Come, let's go to hospital.
It's okay, dear. Now it's all right, no pain. In that moment, I thought one thing. I felt that I'm going to leave my children alone here. I want to get my son to be married soon. I don't want to search outside. She is there, my daughter-in-law Kasturi. You itself tell me, Selvam.
I don't have to say anything in this. I am very happy in this marriage. But expenditure will be more for the marriage.
Oh, what is this, Selvam? We all relatives only. We can fix one good day for this marriage, dear.
Okay, auntie.
What, Lakshmi, is this okay for
What
you?
am I going to say? Whatever is okay for you is okay for
Then
me.
okay, I'll go and work for this marriage.
Okay.
I'll leave, Selvam.
Okay, auntie.
Okay, Kasturi, bye.
Careful.
Oh my God. I don't want to search outside. She is there, my daughter-in-law Kasturi.
Kasturi,
How long do I have to wait for you? What will happen if somebody sees?
how is it possible? When you're angry also you're beautiful. When you smile also you're beautiful.
Please don't be kidding, Arvind. I'm talking seriously. They have decided to get me married to Marudu uncle. It's fixed.
Seriously? So what should we do now,
Why are
Kasturi?
you asking me what has to be done? Come home and talk about our marriage immediately.
What are you trying to say, Kasturi? Don't you know how much the people of this village like me and respect me and still you say this?
I don't care about this village at all. Please marry me immediately. Kumkum on my forehead, tali on my neck, and ring on my toe. All of this should be what you make me wear. Or else, I will die.
Did you think marriage was so easy? It is not like going to a restaurant and having coffee and coming back. They have just started talking about your marriage, right? There is still a lot of time for marriage, don't worry. By then I'll come home and talk to your uncle about it.
It is not that easy to talk to Marudu uncle like you think. Arvind, I believe you completely. Please don't cheat me. I love you only. With you alone in my heart, I cannot get married to somebody else.
Hey, Kasturi! Hey! Why did you do like this? Hey, get up! Get up! Get up! Come here! Come! Now tell me! Tell me! Why did you do like this? Tell me! Why did you do like this? You cheater! Why did you behave like this? I thought you will be so innocent. But see what you have done, idiot! Why did you behave like this? What am I going to tell my brother's son? See all the arrangements he is making to get you married. What am I going to tell him now? You tell me. When you're having someone in your mind, why did you tell Marudu about this? Why did you all cheat us like this? You're not at all going to live happily. You cheater. Please
Mommy,
answer now.
Mommy,
She's
don't
not
do that.
answering
Leave her.
anything. See, Selvam, do you have any idea what she has done, Selvam?
I know, Mom. I listened to everything.
Answer him.
Don't hit her, Mom.
Yeah, she's
Don't hit
not
her.
at all saying anything. Look at her. Idiot.
Why did you do this, Kasturi? After death of our father, for us everything is Marudu uncle, no? Why are you refusing to marry?
To get me married to Marudu uncle was your decision only. But whether I was interested in marrying him, did any of you ask? I like uncle very much. But not a single day have I thought of marrying him.
What's happening here? Come on, get up, Kasturi.
Look at this girl. She has destroyed your love.
Kasturi, get up, Kasturi. I'm telling you, right? Come on, get up.
Uncle, you're not just my uncle. You're the god that I worship. I keep you in my
Come on,
heart.
get up, my dear.
Please forgive me,
It's
uncle.
okay. Listen, come on. Get up, Kasturi. Listen, whatever I told on that day is forever. Kasturi's happiness is only my happiness. If she likes that doctor, how come I can be interruption there? I've decided one thing. In the next auspicious day, Kasturi will get married to the doctor for sure.
Arvind, leave me. Huh? It was just a dream. Aravind? Aravind?
Somehow, by God's grace, Kasturi's life is well settled now. Even then, I'm a little upset about Maridu's
Just
condition.
be quiet. In this time, why you are talking like this? They both are inside the room, others are sleeping here. Just be quiet.
Looks like Kasturi is calling us now. Mom! What happened, Kasturi? Come, let's go and see what happened.
Okay, come.
Come. Kasturi? Hey, what happened?
What happened, Kasturi?
What happened, Kasturi?
Kasturi?
Why did you shout? What happened to your husband? Why is he like this? What happened, Kasturi? Tell me. Why is he sleeping like this? What happened? Any problem now? Wait,
Grandma,
let me check what has happened. Check him now. Oh God, he is dead sometime back. Kasturi's life has become like this. What am I going to do?
Don't cry, Rashmi.
Kasturi.
It's all our fate.
Kasturi.
Please.
Ayyo, I don't know what has happened to this fellow. How did you leave us and go? Look at my daughter. Who is there for her now? Kasturi. Kasturi. My daughter's life is gone now. What am I going to do? Kasturi. What am I going to do now? God, why did you do this to her? Kasturi. What are you going to do now, Kasturi?
Oh, is Mardu here?
Look at what has happened to this girl. God is so merciless.
He's my uncle, sir.
Where is he?
He's inside, sir.
Call him.
Okay, sir.
Kasturi. Kasturi.
Uncle, police inspector calls you. Sir, he came.
Hello, sir. I'm Maridu. Tell me, sir. What do you want? Tell me.
I have come here on inquiry about Dr. Arvind's death case. How did Dr. Arvind die? Why didn't you inform police?
Sir, he already told that he doesn't have anyone.
Even though
That's the
if he is
reason
not
actually.
having any relatives, you want to inform to the police, man. How can you do final ceremony? I am suspecting that you people killed Dr. Aravind. How these people can decide that there is no one for him? Sir, first you file FIR.
Sir, actually, who is he?
He is Dr. Arvind's guardian. Because of his complaint only, I have come here.
Sir, we have never seen him as a doctor. We always treated him like a family member. That's why we have asked Kasturi to marry him. We never thought this will happen, sir.
That's my doubt too. How can a healthy man die suddenly?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I want to talk to you in private.
Let's go.
Thank you so much, sir.
Everybody listen. I have to inquire about doctor's death here. You all must cooperate with me on this. Understood? I will also inform the Panchayat president about this. Now I'll leave.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
Good evening, sir.
What's your name?
Madasamy, sir.
You see, Kasturi was for Marudu. Was that the arrangement always? Is that true?
You are right, sir.
Then how come the doctor married her?
We don't know about that, sir.
Probably he had falsely agreed to this, but took a revenge on him on the first night, is it?
We cannot say like that, sir.
Sir, Marudu used to love Kasturi so much, he will be ready to do anything for her.
Kasturi, I am searching you everywhere and you are sitting alone. Mom told that you didn't eat.
I'm not hungry, brother.
If you don't take food, whether everything will change, your health will be spoiled.
Because of me, everybody lost their peace, brother.
Don't say like that. Don't worry, we all are for you. For us, you want to be happy as before. I won't do anything opposite to your desire. Your marriage happened with your wish only. But God took your total happiness. Nothing is in our hands. You want to change your mind, Kasturi. And that is enough for me.
I can't take it, brother. I'm unable to forget anything.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
Hey, Ten.
Uncle?
Can you come here?
Yes, uncle. Hey, Selvi, Marudu uncle is coming.
I'll come.
Sister, I'll leave now.
Go, dear.
What's up, dear? How are you?
I'm fine, uncle.
Did you meet Kasturi?
How to go, uncle? She starts crying when she sees us. What can we do, uncle?
You know how I treated her once. But nowadays she has become so upset, you know. We shouldn't leave just like that. You should go ahead and tell. Forever, her happiness is always my happiness. And I will take care of her for my lifetime.
Okay, uncle. We'll go and meet Kasturi. We'll leave now.
Okay, bye, uncle.
Hey, Muthu.
Yes, sir.
Have you got 2,000 from that hotel man?
He said he'll give tomorrow, sir.
Yeah, okay. Mari, how many kgs you have delivered to the marriage hall?
20 kgs, Pandi.
20 kgs, huh?
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Please come,
I
sir.
have inquired you about doctor's death.
Oh God, I don't know anything about that, sir. I'm an innocent.
Whoever marries Kasturi will die in your hands. That is what everybody says. Did you say all that? What is your problem with Marudu? If you
Sir.
don't tell me the truth, I will thrash you like a dog.
Sir, Kasturi is my uncle's daughter, sir. I just make fun with her, sir. I know very well that she won't marry me, sir. Marudu will marry Kasturi. This what we all know, sir. I think this will be the Marudu's plan, sir.
Very confusing.
Just go and inquire him, sir. You can get all the truth. You can believe me, sir.
Pandi, till the investigation is over, you can't leave this town. Stay here.
Come, dear.
Hey, Grandma, how are you?
Not all that great. I have been wanting to come and meet you. You have come now. Sit down, dear. Come, sit down.
Come on, you also sit.
Nowadays, this Kadir is not at all listening to me, dear.
Okay, where is he?
He's sitting inside, dear. Ever since Kasturi's husband died, he's sitting inside only, not eating at all, not going to college also, not sleeping properly, dear. He is always worried. What can I do, dear?
You don't worry. I will take care of him. Is he only the one suffering? Everyone is suffering. What to do?
Yes, the way you said, at such a young age she has lost her husband. It's very difficult for us to see that, dear. If you are okay with it, you can give life to her, dear.
We shouldn't talk about that now. We'll take care of it later. I'll go and check
dear.
with Kadir. You don't worry. I'll take care, okay? Kadir, why are you sitting here? What happened? Why are you like this?
That's nothing, brother.
If you're like this, what to do? I'm really feeling bad to see Kasturi like this, you know. And if you are like this, what to do? Go to the college. Go and meet Kasturi. If you go and talk to her like previously, then only she will forget everything. Come on, go ahead. Please.
Grandpa, as you said, you're going to take me for cake shop. When shall
I'll
we
get
go?
you this evening, child.
I don't want any reason. I want now itself. Come, Grandpa, we'll go and buy.
It will pain. Grandfather will feel the
Will you buy
pain.
or not?
I'll get you this evening. You're my sweet
if
child.
you're
no?
not buying, sure,
It
I
is
will
paining.
give you.
Leave me.
Now itself I want.
I'm telling you, I will promise you. Leave me now.
Now itself
sure,
I want.
Sure,
We'll
this
go.
evening
Come.
I'll get it
I
for
will
you.
give
Come
you.
What are
on.
you doing?
Come.
Come on, get down. What is this, bro? What are you playing? If anything happens, so?
Pani, she was just playing with me. You came and spoiled
What,
it.
just playing?
She's just a kid. If she strangles, will I die?
Oh, grandfather, you don't know anything. If you pull with this towel, they will die for sure.
No. Nobody will die because of
Oh,
this.
my grandpa, like this only, Doctor uncle and Marudu uncle were pulling this towel. So because of that only, Doctor uncle died.
Have you listened that leader? I guessed it in beginning itself. He may be the murderer. Small girl saw the incident and said no. Now what are you going
No,
to say?
Pandi. Marudu is not such type.
Why are you saying like that? I am a butcher, so you are saying me that I am a murderer. He is giving money for interest, so he is good, no?
Not like that. You should not decide anything without knowing truth.
He want to show him as a good person, so he gave the permission for the marriage, and he killed him next day night. But for this village, he is a very good person, right? He made the mistake, and the police encouraged me. I don't leave this matter so easily.
Pandi, listen to me. Pandi, I'm telling you, stop. Let's go.
Grandpa, I want cake.
Hey idiot, you people fix the marriage, you people cut the Mangal Sutra, and you people blame the others. I didn't blame anybody, I spoke on the truth. You told who marries Kasturi, I will kill him. And today you made it true. All the villagers are suspecting you only, man. Hey, don't talk rubbish. Then what? I am feeling a lot about my sister's life. You came here to fight with me. Are you in depression? Keeping the killer near you and blaming others. Who is the killer? Hey, I am saying about Marudu, man. Don't talk anything wrong about him. Hey, he only killed your sister's husband, man. Hey, today I will kill you. I won't leave you. What are you thinking about yourself? You want to die. Hey, won't leave you. How dare you can talk about him? Hey, kill you. Hey, I won't leave you. Hey, want to die. Want to die. Hey, kill you. Leave me. Don't kill me. Come on, kill him.
Listen to it.
Talking.
Leave him. Leave him.
Blaming you.
Leave.
No.
Leave it.
He's
Come on,
insulting
come
you.
on.
Please be silent.
Don't
fight. I'll take care of
You are
it.
a killer.
Listen to us.
Don't leave him.
Come on,
Today
stop
he
it.
is going to
Relax.
die in my hands.
Just stay calm.
Hey, what are you thinking about yourself? Hey, leave me. Hey,
Be silent.
Don't do it.
Brother, leave him.
Come on.
I want to hit him.
Leave it.
Hey, I won't leave you.
Please,
Hey,
leave on. Be
leave me,
silent.
you alive.
I'm telling you right.
Leave it.
Come on, be silent.
No,
telling you.
I won't leave you.
Be silent.
Hey, I won't leave you.
Brother, leave it, brother. Please.
What, Pandey? What are you doing? Now you're crossing the limit. Now the situation is not good. Definitely one day you'll get caught. On that day, I'll gonna kill you for sure.
I won't leave you.
Come on, Salom, let's go. Leave him. It's okay, leave it, Salom. You know about him and why are you taking care of it?
No, uncle. There is a truth in his words. We only spoiled Kasturi's life.
What are you coming to say? I couldn't understand.
Yes, uncle. You only told to marry her to who she loves. Believing your words, we married her. If you refused on that day, today we won't be in this stage, uncle.
I don't want to do anything against Kasturi's word. Is that wrong? It's all fate. Huh. What we can do for that?
You can do that. If you think you can do that, uncle.
What are you saying, Selvam?
Yes, uncle. If you married Kasturi, everything will be solved. Now all of our happiness is only in your hands.
Hey, Selvam,
uncle.
what?
Please
What are you doing?
marry
Come
her.
on, get up. Come on, Selvam. Come on, get up, please.
Please marry her.
You're behaving as childish. Come on.
No, please
Get up,
marry
Selvam.
her.
Get up. Come on. I'm telling you,
Please,
right?
uncle.
Come on, get up. Clear her eyes. Come on, do it. You don't worry about me. Go and check with Kasturi if she is okay.
I will take care about that, uncle. You just don't worry.
Kadir. You said your angel belongs to you only. You know what? Now Selvam has decided Marudu to get married Kasturi. What are you going to do now?
What do you know about my Kasturi? While I grow with her, I loved her so much. The first kiss which I give is only to her. Whoever may come, I can meet them with challenge.
Whatever you're saying is fine. Will the village accept for it? Or else Kasturi?
I can never change my words. Kasturi is mine. No one should touch her. If anyone wants to come and live with her, for sure, I will kill them.
Hello.
Sir, good morning. Is it Inspector?
Yes. Who is this?
I am Arvind Guardian speaking, sir.
Tell me, sir.
What is the situation of our case?
Sir, the investigation is going on. We haven't got a clue yet.
Your investigation is not good enough. That I know very well. I am saying that girl's uncle was the culprit, but you people are not listening to that and you people are leaving him. You just leave it, sir. I go through commissioner, okay?
Sir, do not talk very badly. The people who are connected to this case will be brought to the court. I have the responsibility, sir. If you still want to meet the commissioner, go and meet him, sir. I have no problem.
Just leave it. I can see this case.
Shut the phone.
Kasturi Akka, do you know what Marudu uncle is doing in the temple for you? Go and see.
Oh my god. You spoiled both your life as well as my son life also.
Kasturi.
Oh, what, my dear son? Why you're doing like this and all?
Marudu, why are you struggling like this?
Don't cry, Lakshmi.
Tell me what you want me to do. If I do something like this, as per this God's wish, I'm expecting Kasturi has to get a good life as soon as possible. Our Kasturi should get a good life, you know.
Hey, honey. Honey,
What, brother?
please come here.
I'm coming now.
I got meat from this Pandi. He cheated me by just giving the bones.
He's always like that. I have changed the shop. What, brother?
There is an important matter that I want to talk with you.
Tell me, brother.
How is Kasturi now?
She's okay now, but she's still thinking of that Arvind and crying. Very sorry to see her.
I also want to talk with her, but everyone sees me like an enemy. I loved Kasturi a lot, but I didn't think to spoil her life through my hands, honey.
We know that, brother. She has faith in you. She believes you, brother.
All are blaming Marudu and says he's the killer. If I said they are coming to hit me, so I came here to told you.
Brother, don't say all these things and unnecessarily confuse Kasturi. Can't change a butcher's mind. It'll be like that.
Honey,
Get lost.
honey, wait, honey.
Hey, you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Tell me, do you know anything about the doctor's death?
No, sir, I don't know anything, sir.
You are in the same village. He is dead. And you tell me you
I
don't know
promise,
anything.
sir, I don't know anything.
You tell me about these two guys, Marudu and Pandi.
They both are very nice people, sir. But they have some fight amongst themselves. Other than this, I don't know anything, sir.
Do you know anything?
We don't know anything, sir. But doctor is a very nice person.
Don't hide anything.
God promise I don't know anything, sir.
Okay. If you come to know anything about this, tell me immediately.
Pandi, look, Mardu is coming. Look.
I too looked at that. Hey, there are a lot of killers are roaming in our village.
Yeah, you're right.
Hey, come on, stop.
What?
Whom you are talking about?
I told you about only.
Why?
Why? You don't know about that you are a killer?
How come you can say like
Hey,
that?
take away hands. Yes, you are a killer. So I told only you are a killer. This villagers don't know anything, but I can say that you are the killer.
I'm gonna kill you now.
What do you think about yourself?
Now tell me. Now tell me. Come on. I'm gonna kill you. Now you say me. Now you say me as a murderer. Come on. Leave me, guys. I'm gonna kill him now, and I'm gonna become a murderer. I'll go to the jail also.
Hey,
This guy is talking too much. I'm going to make it done today. Hey, come on, leave me.
Spoiled Kasturi's life.
Leave me.
Entirely.
Hey.
No. I am going to
Hey, guys,
kill you.
leave me.
Here itself. Hey,
Gonna
leave
kill
me,
him
man.
now.
Hey.
How dare you can say like that?
What
Huh?
look that?
You saw anything like that?
I'm ready to face you.
Come on. How dare you can say like that?
Leave me. Hey. Leave
Hey!
Hey, leave him.
Hey!
Leave him.
Stop it!
Fine.
Stop it! I say. Hold it!
Leave him.
Hold it! Mardu, Pandi, leave
Move away.
it! I say leave it!
About yourself.
We belong to the same town. Don't fight.
No, leader. He is saying me a murderer.
Yes. He is the
Hey,
killer.
stop it! Don't you bloody know what to talk? Come on, get going.
Hey, I won't leave you.
Hey, stop it! Leave.
Yeah. Okay.
Clear.
Okay.
Pandey, I should have done something to you on that day you troubled with Selvam.
Cool, Mardu. Cool. Get going. Go. I want to talk to Mardu alone. What is this, Mardu? You're fighting on the road. I thought you were wise. Now you're fighting like this, huh?
You are the one responsible for everything.
What wrong did I do?
You are just having some fun time with him. That's the reason he is like that. Now you have seen, right? He is saying me a murderer.
It is not only him. The entire town says you are the murderer.
What you are saying?
Come with me. Mardu, I wanted to ask you about something. You should tell me the truth.
What you wanna know? Tell me.
On the first night of the doctor, you have strangled him and killed him. My granddaughter has seen it. At least now tell me the truth.
I'll tell you what happened on that day. Whatever you said is right only. But you know why I have done like that? Hey, hi. What are you thinking by sitting here?
Nothing, Mardu.
Your mouth is saying nothing, but your face is not. Is there any problem?
I'm worried about Kadir.
Kadir? What's up with him?
Nowadays, his behavior is not proper, Mardu. I explained about this to Kasturi, but she never took care of it. But today, he took Kasturi's clothes and he was behaving in a very, very weird way. And I don't know whom to talk about this to.
Doctor! It's only because of Kasturi has fallen in love with you. That's the reason. Irrespective of my love, you both got married, and during the first day itself, you're doing like this. You know who is Kadir? He's like my life. So, did you understand now? This is what happened.
Did he say like that? Oh my God, when he died, he told you such a scary thing and died? Oh, Kadir is really very innocent. We suspected him. Oh no.
That's the reason the other day I attacked him. How can I go ahead and perform a murder?
Okay, leave it. Now I know the truth. Then how did the doctor die?
Lakshmi,
Who's that?
I'm only Lakshmi.
Please come. Sit down, please.
How are you, my dear?
Can't say much. Shall I bring some coffee?
It's okay, just sit. Why you are like this? You're not even coming to my home. Even your daughter also not coming to my home. What we did actually? You just speak with your doctor.
How will I step into your house for what she has done? How will I be able to face you all? You please tell me now.
Because of that, will you do like this? Whatever happened, don't think about the past, Lakshmi. You have to speak with your daughter.
What can I do? You please tell me.
Today we are here, but we don't know about tomorrow. They have to live happily in the world. Just listen my words. Sit with your daughter and talk about this. Even I'll talk to my son and make him to understand. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
I can understand.
You said you wanted to talk, Uncle.
That's the reason I called you. But you have to talk now. That too from the bottom of your heart.
There's nothing left now to talk about my life. You're living your life now, thinking just about me. But I'm not like that, Uncle. More than that, you gave me the life that I wanted without even thinking about yourself. I have no problems, Uncle. It's my fate to live like this. I live my life like this. My life is over, Uncle.
Kasturi,
Yes, Uncle. You should get married to a good woman, have kids, and live happily. That is enough for me, Uncle.
I want to see my Kasturi like the previous days. Our village is also waiting for that. I always want to take care of you. I was not seeing my life as separately till date, you know. I'm always there for you. Whatever happened is a nightmare and forget it. Nothing is spoiled now. If you're okay, I'll be with you forever in my lifetime. Come on, Kasturi.
Uncle, I have kept you like a god in my heart. I can only worship the god. I cannot lead a life with the god. Forgive me, Uncle.
Kasturi, stop.
I am highly confused. He says this guy is a murderer. This guy says he is the murderer. Before finding out the murderer, I will lose all my youth, it seems.
As if there is lot of hair now.
You are very arrogant. I can do what nobody can do. If no one can do it, I can do it.
Listen now. I'll remove your trouser and send you out of the house. Be careful.
Oh my god, you are capable of that. Look here. Before the police find out the murderer, I will definitely find him.
Hey, shut your mouth and keep quiet. If you say Marudu is the murderer, he will kill you. If you say Pandey is the murderer, you will not get your meat and liquor. Keep all your panchayat outside the house. I know you very well.
Hey, keep your mouth shut. On hearing my name, the entire town shivers, you know. You are bloody nobody in front of me.
Hey, can't you keep your mouth shut? Forgot what I gave you on that day? You got this post because your father was the leader at that time. Otherwise, you're a waste fellow.
My wife doesn't believe me on anything.
Whatever might be, come on, talk to me. Did you find the exact reason for this murder?
This investigation has come to its final stages.
That's so?
Yes, I have also inquired in town. From the details of our investigations, we have neared the murderer. But we are sure that he is around the corner. We will arrest him in 1 or 2 days.
Shenbagam?
Come, sister. How are you? Come, we'll go inside.
That's okay. We'll sit here only.
What, sister? You are not in the village?
As soon as Kasturi got married, I went to my son's house and came back today only. I came to know about the news and came running to see you.
What we have to say? Everything we spoke with her, but she's not even listening our words and married the doctor. It's her fate. Because of her, everything is spoiled for us.
Everything is fate. All of you worked together and conducted this wedding very well. Even before the leaves dried up, this girl's life has gone waste. This Kadir fellow participated so well in the wedding.
Shall I bring the food for you?
No, I'll take care of it.
Marudu dear, how are you? Are you doing okay?
I'm good only.
I heard the news. I'm feeling very bad. That Kadir fellow was so active in the wedding. He helped the doctor, gave him milk, fruits and everything. I asked him to give some fruits to me. He refused to give me. He wanted to give only to the doctor. He took care of the doctor so well. He did all that because of his love for Kasturi. Everything has gone waste.
What you're saying is right only, sister.
Brother,
Hey, come.
Grandma asked me to come.
Yes, I only told her. What is this, Kadir? You're on one side and Kasturi is on another side. If you are worrying like this, what to do? I have decided one thing. Hereafter, we shouldn't leave Kasturi alone. I decided to marry her. She is my wife. No one can change this. What else I need in my life apart from seeing her happy? I've spoken to Selvam and Tain already. You just go and meet Kasturi and tell whatever I said. Because she's already upset and not present. Whatever you say, she will listen. What? I'm alone talking and you're thinking something else? What are you thinking?
Nothing, brother. I will speak with her. Kasturi is only for you. If she refuses also, I'll convince her. Is it okay?
That's the reason I told you to come. Okay?
Okay,
Bye.
brother. Who asked you to do these works?
Then who will do?
Where is auntie?
She is sleeping because of headache.
It's okay, you get up.
Hey, you sit.
I said you get up.
You sit, man.
What, Kadir? You're not talking anything.
Nothing. Marudu brother told me to inform you that he is going to marry you. You are in the tragical situation. Without knowing this, see how he is speaking selfish. No one is ready to understand you. Don't marry anyone, Kasturi. You are for me, I am for you. We can live like this forever, Kasturi. More than me, who can take care of you well? Tell me, Kasturi. Don't want Kasturi. We don't want anyone. Will you listen my words, right? Do you really like me? We live like this forever, Kasturi. Tell me, Kasturi. Why are you looking, guys? You have no rights to stand beside my Kasturi. Hey, doctor! You stole my Kasturi and stood beside her, right? What happened to you? Tell me. Tell everything to Mardu. Explain everything to Mardu. Tell him.
Hey, Kadir, what are you doing here, man? I'm not going to leave you. I told Kasturi that day itself, but she never believed me. You scoundrel, I'll teach you a lesson
Doctor,
today.
please listen. Kasturi is my life. I don't have anyone. Please, doctor, if you marry Kasturi, what I will do, doctor? Nothing happened as what you think. Kasturi is my life, doctor. There is no one for me after Kasturi, doctor. Doctor, please, doctor. Sorry, doctor. Understand me, please. I don't have other than Kasturi, doctor. No one is there for me after Kasturi, doctor. Don't think me bad, doctor. Don't think me, believe me. Please, doctor. No one is there for me after Kasturi, doctor.
Get up, man.
Please.
Now don't cry. First wipe your tears. And now get out from here. Go. I'm just not able to believe him. Can we believe him? First thing in the morning, I'll tell this to Kasturi. Just get out. Who gave this to you?
Sister gave me.
Oh, sister gave it to you. Okay, now you can go.
Why, doctor, are you wasting few drops of medicine?
It's not like that, madam. I'll tell you. Okay, I'll explain to you in normal way. When I'm taking medicine in the syringe, sometimes there'll be air inside it. If I inject the air inside anybody's body, it will surely end up in death. So that's the reason why all the doctors push some medicine out before they inject it into the patient. Now did you understand?
Oh, this much information is there?
The medicine you have learned will make people alive. As you said, it also kills. Hey doctor, this Mardugai is not at all listening.
Hey Kadir, is that you?
I am looking only for you.
Kasturi, Mardu and Kadir are fighting in outer of our village. Go and see.
Come on.
Hey Kadir.
I won't leave you without killing you.
Uncle! Oh my god! Uncle! Uncle! What is all this? Hey! Hey! Why did you do this? Why? What happened to you? Why did you fight with Uncle? Why are you behaving like this? Say, what happened to you? Why are you doing all this? Tell me. Get lost. Uncle. Uncle. Why did you beat him, Uncle? What happened? Tell me, Uncle. Uncle.
You know what he has done? He is the one who murdered the doctor.
His behavior is not alright, Kasturi. He has very wrong intentions for you.
No. He's not that type of boy. He has been with me since he was a baby. I know very well about him. You don't talk bad about him.
I have told you what it is. Now it is your wish.
You don't marry anyone, Kasturi. You for me, I am for you. We can live like this forever, Kasturi.
Everything is gone now. What betrayal did Arvind ever do to you? Why did you kill him? Tell me. Hey, I treated you like a brother. I took care of you like my own baby. But you've grown up to be someone so dangerous. You've come to a level where you're fighting against your own brother. Whenever you spoke touching me, I thought you had no bad intentions. But only because of your terrible intentions, you have always been coming around me. Only now am I realizing all this.
The child who has not been brought up by the parents will go on a wrong way, and you're the example for that. I called you as a brother not just for a word. It is not just a word. It's my life. And you have distracted completely. The girl who is gonna marry me will take care of you like a mother. Kasturi is also like a mother only to you. But you have treated like her in this way. This is not your mistake. You didn't understand what is good and what is bad. You can go ahead and love the teacher. And also a girl who has got recently married. This has been taught by the society. If you see negatively like this, then how come girls will live here? This is not a gentlemanship.
You just want my body, right? Come take it.
Hey! Kader! What have you done? Kasturi, our Kadir has left us, Kasturi. Why the hell you have done like this, Kadir? Come on, Kadir. Come on. Why are you lying like this? Come on, Kadir. Come on. Kadir. Please come back. Why you have you done like this? Kadir. Why have you done like this? Come on, get up. Kadir.